Incest, a universally sensitive topic, refers to sexual relationships between close relatives. It sparks heated debates, touching upon morality, legality, biology, and societal norms. Understanding the complexities surrounding incest requires careful examination of various perspectives. The incest taboo, a near-universal prohibition, exists in almost every culture. However, the specific definitions of close relatives and the severity of sanctions vary considerably. This variation reflects differing cultural values and interpretations of kinship. Examining the reasons behind the incest taboo reveals a complex interplay of factors. Biological concerns about genetic risks, ethical considerations of power dynamics, and social anxieties about family structure all contribute to the prohibition. Legal approaches to incest differ significantly worldwide. Some countries have strict prohibitions, encompassing a wide range of relatives and imposing severe penalties. Others have more lenient laws, focusing primarily on nuclear family members. In some countries, marriage between first cousins is permitted, while in others, it is strictly forbidden. This legal variation reflects differing cultural norms and interpretations of kinship. These legal differences highlight the challenge of establishing universal standards. Balancing individual freedoms with societal concerns remains a complex task for lawmakers worldwide. A primary biological argument against incest centers on genetic risks. Offspring of close relatives have a higher probability of inheriting recessive genetic disorders. This increased risk stems from the shared genetic material between close relatives. Consanguineous relationships, or relationships between blood relatives, can lead to reduced genetic diversity in offspring. This reduced diversity can make populations more vulnerable to environmental changes and diseases. However, it's important to note that the genetic risks associated with incest are not absolute. While the probability of genetic disorders increases, it's not guaranteed that every child born from incestuous relationships will have health problems. Section 4. Ethical and moral arguments. Ethical arguments against incest often focus on power dynamics and consent. The inherent power imbalances within families can make genuine consent difficult, particularly between adults and minors or older and younger siblings. Furthermore, incest can disrupt family structures and create emotional turmoil. The blurring of familial roles and the potential for secrecy and shame can have devastating consequences for individuals and families. From a moral standpoint, incest is often viewed as a violation of natural law or religious tenets. Many cultures and religions consider incest a taboo, regardless of potential genetic risks or power dynamics. Section 5. Societal norms and cultural variations. Societal norms play a significant role in shaping attitudes towards incest. While the incest taboo is nearly universal, the specific definitions and interpretations of incest vary across cultures. Some cultures may place greater emphasis on blood relations, while others may focus on family roles. In some cultures, certain forms of cousin marriage are accepted or even encouraged, while in others they are strictly prohibited. These cultural variations highlight the influence of tradition and social norms on perceptions of incest. Understanding these cultural variations is essential for nuanced discussions about incest. Recognizing that cultural perspectives differ helps avoid generalizations and promotes cross-cultural understanding. Section 6. Personal freedom versus societal protection. The debate surrounding incest ultimately involves balancing personal freedom with societal protection. While individuals have the right to make their own choices, society also has a responsibility to protect vulnerable members and maintain social order. Laws prohibiting incest aim to protect individuals from potential harm, particularly genetic risks and power imbalances within families. These laws reflect societal values and priorities. Striking a balance between individual autonomy and societal well-being remains a complex challenge. Navigating this delicate balance requires ongoing dialogue and careful consideration of ethical, legal, and cultural factors.